She gave her heart like an open door, every piece, every part, till there was no more. Her smile was a shield, her laugh a disguise, hiding the pain that lived in her eyes. Every "I'm okay" was a quiet plea, a girl trapped in love, but longing to be free. She carried their burdens, forgot her own, fighting for love in a battle alone. They took her light, left her in the dark, a girl with the fire turned into a spark. The girl who loved too much, always gave, never asked for a touch. She poured her soul into empty hands, lost herself trying to understand. Her love was strong, but the world was cruel. The girl who loved too much played the fool. She walked through storms with a heart so wide, giving her warmth while she froze inside. Her kindness was endless, her patience ran deep, but nights were lonely, she cried herself to sleep. Every goodbye carved a piece away, but still she believed they'd come back someday. She built their dreams, but hers fell apart, trapped in a cycle of a giving heart. She hoped and she prayed they'd finally see a love like hers comes with no guarantee. The girl who loved too much, always gave, never asked for a touch. She poured her soul into empty hands, lost herself trying to understand. Her love was strong, but the world was cruel. The girl who loved too much played the fool. She built them the sun, but they wanted the stars. Chasing illusions, they left her with scars. Reflections stared back, broken and torn, but deep in her eyes a new strength was born. No longer a victim of love's bitter game, she's learning her worth, unshackled from shame. The girl who loved too much has found her way. She's learning to live for herself today. Her love's still strong, but now it's her choice to guard her heart and find her voice. Now she's walking with purpose, her head held high, no longer held down by the tears she cried. Her heart still beats with a gentle fire, but now it's for dreams that lift her higher. She sees the beauty in loving her soul, no longer fractured, she's finally whole. The girl who loved too much has learned to stay, not for others but for herself each day. Her love is still strong, but now it's her call to rise above and never fall. Her heart was bruised, but it's healing with time. The girl who loved too much now walks in her prime. She's not broken, just beautifully scarred. A girl who loved too much, now loving smart. Her story's not over, her song's just begun. The girl who loved too much will rise with the sun. Through the trials and tears, she's found her way. The girl who loved too much is here to stay. Through the trials and tears, she's found her way. The girl who loved too much is here to stay.